Dead right here. Ready. Kill him.
Bring it, Gadwall, boy.
Get right here.
I think this spot's gonna work.
Look at this single, Matt. Look at you. Bad to the bone. Look at this, Matt. Look at this.
If there was any doubt if this spot would work, I think we just got our answer.
First time you looked at it, though, really. First time you really messed with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Day before.
And look right here. Hey, here's the deal. You come hunt this spot and the wind don't matter.
Can we stand right here?
Yeah. Right all through there.
I'm gonna turn Rusty into a spoony Gadwall hunter before it's over with. I'm getting excited over these Gadwalls.
All that pure stuff.
All that
out
pure
the window
stuff
a while
is gone.
ago.
It's gone.
There's going to be so many BBs headed after these ducks, out of these ducks.
All right, so we're right where we were the other day when all the ducks were coming in and we were sitting in the boat, and never hunted this spot, but I think it'll work. On paper it works. The other day it worked. We got clouds, but I think it's gonna clear. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna get at it. I already had a couple come in. Either way, we're in the woods. It's gonna be fun. Right here, y'all.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Kill him.
I said, that was uncharacteristic job from him. I thought he'd go away for them other two. That was good.
Killed him, huh?
Turn around right here.
Right here. Kill them right there when they come over. Heel right here. Heel, get ready. Heel, get ready. Kill him, kill him. Come on. You know, this year is a learning year. New piece of property, new place. Everything should work on paper. I've hit some couple home runs this year, but I've also had some, not necessarily strikeouts, but just some learning experiences. And today's kind of one of them. We were setting this up the other day, and ducks were falling in on it. And now we've got sun, now we've got a good wind, and they still just don't quite finish. These may finish, so let's see what these big group of gadwalls right here. These might do it. Kill them.
That was pretty though. That's what we wanted them to do.
Back! Pretty was he coming in. They just all did he did it right.
He liked it. He did.
He never hit a wing beat.
Head right here. Ready.
Kill him. That's the only duck that got out. That might make it work.
We got a Gadwall killer here. Bump that green. He's back home now. I love him. Love him.
That's how you get to 30.
What happened was we got excited when we saw Gadwall.
What did I say? I'm pumped.
Man, that was a great morning. But to be honest with you, it probably didn't meet Rusty standards as far as what we were trying to do here, man. From the other day, we watched ducks come in and probably 2 or 3 different groups come light on top of us in here scouting. And they didn't want to finish great, but man, it was such cloud cover, what, till 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
No wind till 9 o'clock, and had to shoot them a little far. It's not ideal, but it's part of it when you got cloud, no wind. But 2 days, awesome days, hunting in the woods. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I mean, it ain't been easy. Neither of the 2 days have been easy. I feel like,
like I said,
I feel like we've been cheated, but at the end of the day, we shoot 20 right yesterday and 31 today. So I mean,
and we're hiding a good bit of people today too.
We are.
So man, you can't go wrong with that.
No.
Beautiful day. Got weather coming in, so we're excited. Awesome hunt.
Yeah, good times, man. Appreciate y'all coming.
No, enjoy it.